Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas, and Argyle, Texas. 2024 Carrera T, excuse me, full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus. Window film is the XR Plus and 30% all the way around. Back window is one of those Gorilla Glass windows, the thinner glass. Over this one has the regular glass in the back, but no defroster lines. It's got some little coils in it now. And so there's an all 30, so 30% all the way around. Full wrap, we'll go over that. Everything's looking good, and those gray mirrors are supposed to match the wheels. That's a factory reset right there. So let's take a look at the wrap. So starting up here, let's start with our headlight area. Everything gets wrapped in underneath here. We don't take the light out. We just have small tools that'll get us in here to get everything underneath. We bring everything to this edge. This edge was not able to be wrapped in. Usually I like to wrap all the way in, but it just wasn't adhering to it. That happens sometimes. We're not gonna take it apart and take the pieces off. Just unfortunately, it wasn't gonna work that way, but it's still super tight. It does happen. Emblem comes off, fully wrapped underneath, perfectly done, no markings. Everything's nice and glossy, and it looks like there's nothing on the car. Hood and fenders are all fully wrapped in. Headlight area, wheel wells coming into here. These come out, these lights fully wrapped in, all inside the wheel well area so we don't get any marks on the paint. Mirrors all done in one piece. And coming up to our A-pillar, fully wraps into the seal here for the windshield, so there's no line. And then it comes one piece all the way around to the tail light, wraps in. I take the tail light out, everything fully wraps in, the bumper, the fender, all this in the back, the spoiler, no lines at all. And then we come around in here, and then we fully wrap underneath here, and the quarter panel connects all the way there like a horseshoe. So it starts up top, comes all the way around and down. That's all one section, fully wrapped in. The door, fully wrapped in, and no seams. It goes all underneath the mirror. So everything goes in one full section. So there's no lines. These little moldings pop off. These are door edge guard, or what are they called? Belt moldings. We put everything under there, so there's no line here either. So hood pan, same thing, fully wrapped in under all the seals, nice and clean. I like it without the satellite antenna there. Rear bumper, as we mentioned earlier, fully wrapped under the lights, fully wrapped under this Porsche. All this comes out, the letters come off, numbers, and I mark them with a template so we can put them right back in the same orientation. And then tow hook fully wrapped in all the corners, edges. We don't leave any lines out there. And more of the same on this side. So, oh, and here's what we did on the inside. He had some gloss black in here, and we covered it with matte. So all this now is in matte. So we don't really do a lot of it, but everything now is all matte. It was all gloss, he didn't want it. And it protects it, it's paint protection film, and it looks really good. So, there it is. And last piece we'll look at is our fuel port area. Fully wrapped in, all inside this channel, all around this backside. So there's no lines at all. So everything looks perfect. Beautiful wrap on another 911. Up next will be that Genesis, full wrap on that. Up next will be Z06. That 2500's done, full wrap, and then this Escalade, and outside there's two others and a 4Runner. So we'll go over all that as we go along, and everything's just looking fantastic. So there you go, clearbrownorthdallas.com. You can reach me at 214-414-3809. Cell phone 940-703-8301. I'm Brent, and thanks for watching. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye-bye.